You can be surrounded with stuff outside of you that cause dysfunction. And we certainly have life gets in the way. And the idea is something's going to happen, right? There are events that occur. It's how we respond to them that determines the outcome. So if we're able to get back to the point where we can keep ourselves calm, if we have issues, we address them, feel the emotion that comes with it. Obviously, if we lose a loved one, we're going to be sad for a while, and we're going to grieve, but recognizing that and not having it fully consume us by releasing it, by actually releasing it, feeling it, sense it, and release it, not trying to suppress it. It's where everything starts. And what I like to call this is we have internal stability where we're able to take that information coming in, and then external equilibrium means, in essence, we have our relationships to the things that happen to us, and we now conduct ourselves in a way that creates an outcome that actually allows us to continue to work on our health, and work on our well-being, work on our relationships, and working on our success, whether it's in our business or in our relationships or in a relationship with ourselves.